little fruit stand here. Like to get a pawpaw and some bananas. What's happening? We're heading out to South Johnstone campground, just up the road here. Probably another, how far have we got to go? Oh, another 35 minutes. We should be out there. Just a little campground on the Johnstone River. So yeah, just going out there one night. Bananas, 3 for $1. Want some ripe looking bananas. Well, luckily this SW Moto bag's got an expander zip on it, so let's open that up. I reckon we can squeeze some bananas and a pawpaw in there. Okay, here we are, camping at South Johnstone, Wooroonooran National Park. So we're about 11 kilometres. I know that because it says so there. Up this track. I've been in here plenty of times before, but yeah, we'll have a nice steady trip in there. A couple of nice king ferns along the side of the track as well as we go in. But yeah, so we've come south of Cairns and towards Innisfail. We've turned west towards Milla, headed up on the Palmerston Highway. We're just before the Palmerston Range, before it starts going up the hill, which is up this way. But we're turning off and we're heading down the South Johnstone campground. Let's go. Our money's going to spend one night camping out here. Just a quick trip. I've just pulled up here for a sec. Have a look at these king ferns. I don't know if you can quite see them here. Just roll down a bit. But these, I think they're the largest ferns in the world. I think I did read that somewhere once. They call them a king fern. That's them there. I have seen them a lot bigger than that. They don't get very tall, but they do. These fronds are massive. They get up to like 20 foot long. They look similar to a tree fern, but yeah, just called a king fern. You don't see them too often though, so this is one of the places you can quite often see them. It's on the track here to South Johnstone. Oh well, keep going.
Grey sunlight and crystal rain, one heart still the same. Cold cityscapes tell stories of what we know. It's all surrounding around me. Like water that moves divine, falling in front of me. We go where the rivers wind, turning to perfect seas. The wind dancing in between, the truth that's buried in our dreams. I walk under midnight sky, leaving the past behind. Beauty surrounding, finally around me. The day is mine.
Righto, here we are, South Johnstone River campground in the national park. I can never spit that out. Wooroonooran National Park. So this is the campground called South Johnstone, and South Johnstone River's just over here to our left. So we'll walk down. I've got the drone, the old DJI Air 2S, so we'll throw that up and we'll have a bit of a look, see what we can see. Let's go. But yeah, the track coming out here was pretty good. If you've got a conventional vehicle, two-wheel drive, actually when I pulled up out here and I was setting my camp up, BMW showed up like an M1. It was a very slick looking BMW. I was surprised to see it come out here because, yeah, it is a bit of a gravelly road. It's not rough or anything. But yeah, so there you go. You can bring a bloody $100,000 BMW motor car out here. You'll be able to bring your Suzuki Alto out here. There you go, I just had to move my camp. I got the hammock set up, but one of the trees I looked into, she was a wee bit weak and I jumped in the hammock. So I've just had to pull my whole camp down and move about 20 metres. But that's all good. This spot's probably better, it's a better setup. So a bit shadier as well, so I've probably done better. Oh, crikey. Oh, there we go, talking about king ferns, here's a little tiny one. I'll just pop underneath it, give you an idea how big these fronds are. This is only a small king fern, this isn't a big one, it's a little bubby one. There's another one just up here as well. But yeah, an amazing bush. I tell you, they're pretty impressive. They look alright. Wouldn't mind some of those in my garden. There's another bigger one just up the road here, look. Spin this camera around so we can see the bridge. Well, there we go. That's the South Johnstone River. Comes down from the Atherton Tablelands, runs right down to the coast, out into the Great Barrier Reef. go, South Johnstone, all packed up, ready to head back home. Great trip out here, so we'll just enjoy it back. Look, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new here, smash the subscribe button. It does help the channel out, and ring that notification bell down the bottom over there somewhere if you want to get some updates when new videos come out. All right, let's get out of here. See you in the next one.